Good day, everyone. I'm at the Graves job over in Joint Creek. Got a beautiful room addition going in. Look at the ceiling height on this thing. All conventionally framed. Got a big fireplace going in. Isn't that gonna be nice? With a big outdoor kitchen on both sides. It's gonna be a beautiful job. We started this one around the 1st of May, end of April. Got a pool going in with a beautiful spa. Nice little plunge pool. Got a nice sun shelf, nice little step around it. Lots of plumbing to keep that water circulating. Some steps. Look at those massaging jets. Look at that. That's the way it's supposed to be done. You don't see that done very often. Everybody wants to give you a bunch of little singles. And we got a triple. That's the way it should be done. Got our equipment going in today. Let's take a walk around the corner. Look at all these pipes. Got our plumbing going in. Got a heat cold. Got a heater for the spa. All Pentair equipment. Brother Man Cal got some shade over him. Trying to beat the heat. Got beautiful tile on the spa. That's a pretty tile right there. That looks like what we got back at the model home pool. But yeah, just a quick little overview. Roof got done yesterday. Lots more fun to come. Stay tuned for more stuff. And as always, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one. Let's get swimming and let's get hanging out up under this beautiful room addition. Y'all take care. See ya.